Still Friday, February 10th. Decided to go ahead and use my YesWelder wire welder. Plugged in 220 instead of 110. It'll work on either. Here's the ones I'm welding up. Now, I am by no means proficient with a wire welder, but I guarantee you they ain't gonna come apart. One thing I don't like about it, I've got it set on 140 amp, and then the speed is 16.7. Now this thing is smarter than the operator. It adjusts speed on its own. So if you increase your amperage or decrease the amperage, either your speed goes up or your speed goes down. You don't have an independent adjustment of your speed. And I think I'd have a lot easier time welding it if I did. Trying to get good penetration, so I crank the amps way up, then my speed's way up, and I get a pretty heavy bead. Obviously you would think, well, move faster on your weld. Well, you do that, you get less penetration. So I don't know. I know they ain't gonna come apart. I do know that. So I got about 7 more to finish up. And that'll be an even 20. And then I'll probably call it a day. Give the wife a call, verify my shopping list, and go to the grocery store on the way home and get us a little bit of groceries. Yeah, but all in all, that YesWelder, it was dirt cheap. Had a hell of a coupon. And I'm going to say it's okay, you know, but I'm more of a stick man. I'm not a wire welder. That's not my preferred method. I've always welded stick. But, you know, it is what it is. I know those things are not going to come apart. So, that's about all for this one. Thank you.